Hiya, this is Bianca. Samahan niyo ako today for just a random day in my life, part 2. Naisipan namin pumunta ng Birmingham para kumain at mamasyal na rin. Dito nga pala sa Birmingham, may clean air zone sila, meaning high-polluting vehicles are charged a daily fee to improve air quality. Kaya kung balak niyo pumunta dito, check niyo muna guys ang inyong car if kailangan niyo magbayad ng clean air zone. At ito na nga, papunta na kami sa main city center. Nahirapan kaming pumili kung saan kami kakain kasi ang daming choices. Pero finally, nakahanap kami ng place called Itaewon, which is a Korean restaurant. Ito ang itsura niya sa loob. Ito ang kanilang menu. At syempre meron din silang summer special menu.
Waiting kami for our order. So far, ang drinks pa lang.
And finally, dumating na rin ang aming order. After namin kumain, naglakad-lakad muna kami kasi super busog. At nakita namin dito si Ozzy the Bull. Ayan, may shades pa siya. And of course, afterwards, we decided to have some desserts dito sa Pop and Roll.
We have a pistachio, freshly made gelato. We have a vanilla, we have a chocolate.
Pistachio, vanilla, and chocolate.
At eto na nga ang order namin guys, which is the vanilla and pistachio flavor with strawberry syrup on top. And afterwards, pumunta kami dito sa Holland & Barrett kasi tarantahin na tayo guys, so kailangan na natin ng mga supplements. And of course, just window shopping. And pumunta kami dito sa Asian shop which is called the Oseo, pero wala kaming napili or nabili. Kaya pumunta na lang kami para uminom dito sa Moli Tea. Ito nga palang itsura sa loob. And we decided to have some refreshing drink which is called the Premium Jasmine Citrus.
At dyan natatapos ang aming lakwatsya. Going home.
That's it. Thank you for watching. Sa susunod. Bye!